Hello friends, this is Divya Rani here and we are heading towards IIT BHU, and it is known as IIT Varanasi, but because of it is situated inside the BHU campus, so it's called IIT BHU. And we are heading towards, this is the electronics department of IIT BHU. This is very beautiful. Now we'll head towards the main IIT Varanasi. Guys, we have headed to our main IIT Varanasi. You can view this board from here. And now we'll get into. Finally, we have proceeded here. It is very big. Right now, we have just entered its main gate, and we have entered a place which have an area of 1300 acres. Yeah, it's IIT Varanasi, IIT BHU. We'll get inside it now. We are present inside the now Department of Electronics Engineering. It's very beautiful here, and it have a very big building. The Vice Chancellor of IIT BHU is Vinay Kumar Pathak, and IIT BHU is a very reputed engineering college in India. Its ranking by NIRF is 9th. And in all over India, its ranking is 26. It means a lot, guys. See, it's very beautiful. It has a very big buildings and numbers of classrooms here. It's temporarily closed, so we can't head inside the departments right now. But it's very beautiful. We are inside the main library of IIT BHU, and it has 1,38,000 approx books, theses, journals, reports, etc. And from here the vision of Vishwanath temple is very clear, and there is Vishwanath Mandir, which is very good looking from here. And see, you can find peacocks anywhere here. This way leads to the hostels, girls hostel as well as boys hostel here, which leads to the IIT BHU hostels. All the hostels, Indira Gandhi hostel and more hostels are here. And this department is of architecture, planning and design. Even though it's COVID-19, the roads are too busy right now. This is main workshop. This department is of Central Instrument Facility. It's inside IIT BHU only. Whatever instrumental researches are being done, it's inside this only. IIT Varanasi includes 3 schools, and this is one of them, which is of School of Material Science and Technology. The construction work is going inside this, so we can't get ahead. This is Center for Energy and Resource Development. Means here is the cafeteria of IIT BHU. This building includes the cafeteria. The very good and healthy foods are provided here. In 1919, when Banaras Engineering College was founded, it was known as BENCO, Banaras Engineering College. Second one was MINMET, the College of Mining and Metallurgy, and third one was Techno, that was the Institute of Technology. Together in 1968, it was merged into the IT, which was Information Technology, Varanasi. But later in year 2012, it was given the name title of Indian Institute of Varanasi, IIT BHU. This department is of mathematical science. It has a huge building inside this, and there are facilitated classrooms, technological and electrical gadgets to study through. This is the Department of Computer Engineering Annex. This one is the Also the Sanganak Abhiyantriki Vibhag. Three departments are here very close to close, and that one is the mathematical department, Department of Mathematical Science. Behind this there are very huge departments, and that one is the main building of Department of Mathematical Sciences, and it have very much facilitated classrooms. That building is the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. It's still there, and three departments are very close to close. I have already mentioned about IIT BHU in my previous videos. You can watch from there also. And you have to please mention that IIT BHU has a very golden alumni, because there are many such persons who are from IIT BHU, and they are now at present they are at very greater posts. For example, Deepak Ahuja, who is the CFO of Tesla right now. You already know what is Tesla till now, because it is very famous right now. Second one is Krishnan Kant, who is the former Vice President of India. Third one is Manoj Sinha, who was the second Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, and also he was the former Minister of State Railways and Communications. This one is the second school. This is the School of Biomedical Engineering inside IIT BHU. It also has a great department. Behind this it has all facilitated classrooms as well as instrumental and technological things to do. This is IESD, Excellence in Climate Change Research, and this is the most beautiful building of IIT BHU. It's inside the BHU campus, so it's included in both. This is IESD, and it was founded by our Mahamana Madan Mohan Malviya. This one is the agricultural field. All the researchers, little researches, moreover it's for agricultural use. It's the farming field for the students. This is the IIT BHU, IIT Varanasi, and here I could make this vlog because of the environment is very peaceful right now. It's very warm.